So this is the motor wiring. It's got a spare wire, the toggle switch, and then the motor subassembly that we did in the last step. And then you've got the 2 wires from the battery pack. So first off, with the 0 to the left, you want to push in the toggle switch. That. Then you want to take the red wire from the battery pack and attach it to the left side of the toggle switch. That. And then you'll want to grab the motor and you'll want to attach the black wire to the bottom part of the motor. So the bottom is this one down here. Just push it through. And then fold it over on itself. That. And then take this extra wire, put that through this side of the motor. That. And then the other end of the red wire goes to the other side of the toggle switch. You just stick the stud through and bend it over. Then, now that you have this wired up, you can push the subassembly into the base. So just to recap, the red wire from the battery pack went to the left side of the toggle switch. The black wire from the battery pack went to the bottom side of the motor. And the extra wire went from the right side of the toggle switch to the top portion of the motor. Then here are the 4 locations where the subassembly was pushed through. You can see them through the top, and add twist connectors to those 4 locations.